If you've seen my lentil and veggie stew video, you know these are the garlic and herb drop biscuits. No eggs, no dairy, no nuts. Let's make them. In a bowl, we're going to put 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, dried parsley, dried thyme. You can use fresh herbs here if you have them. A tablespoon of fresh thyme and fresh parsley both work beautifully. We're just going to whisk everything together. I'm using my pastry cutter because it's handy. You want the leavening and seasonings distributed evenly before anything else goes in. Now we're going to use some cold plant-based butter, a half a cup. Chop it into some small pieces, and you're going to work that into the flour using a pastry cutter or a fork until the mixture looks like coarse pea-sized crumbs. This gives the biscuits their texture. Those are little pockets of cold fat which create the layers and the flakiness when they hit the oven. Take your time, don't rush it. Now we're going to take 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened oat milk into a measuring cup, add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or some lemon juice, give it a quick stir, let it sit there for just a minute. The acid will curdle the oat milk slightly and it creates a vegan buttermilk. It works the same way as the real thing, adding that little tang and helping the biscuits to rise. Pour the buttermilk into the dry mixture and stir just until everything comes together. The dough will look shaggy and rough, and that's exactly right. Over-mixing is the main thing to avoid with biscuits. Once the flour is incorporated, stop. A few dry streaks are better than a tough biscuit. Use a cookie scoop to drop the dough onto a baking tray. The scoop keeps them the same size, which means they'll bake evenly. You should get about 8 to 10 biscuits. No shaping, no rolling. That's the whole appeal of a drop biscuit. Oven is at 425. They bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the tops are golden. Enjoy with your favorite soup.